Stucco is one of the most popular choices for siding in Sacramento area. It's generally inexpensive and provides a solid, seamless home exterior. It also features resistance to fire, rot, and mold. If your home has stucco, be sure to inspect it often. We frequently find homes with cracked stucco, and if it's caught in time, the repair can be cheap and usually done quickly. If your cracked stucco is not fixed in time, it can lead to serious problems like dry rot damage to the wood material underneath the stucco. Since many older homes do not have the proper waterproofing underneath the stucco, dry rot is very common and can grow quickly. Don't hesitate to call a professional. At Good Life Construction, we have been repairing stucco and siding homes with stucco since 2009. If you need stucco repair or want to reside your home with stucco, give us a call for a free consultation.